Hello guys and welcome back to my channel once again. I wish you all are healthy and safe. In this video I will show you how you can convert your document file to a JPG file to a Word document file without internet, without installing any app. In my previous video you need to have an internet connection, but in this video I will show you the steps for which you don't need to have an internet connection. So friends, let's get started. Here you can see that I have no internet, here also no internet, here also no, so no kind of internet I have connected. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to have a JPG file which is a container of words and sentences, not a picture of the person or picture. As if you have that, then the binary code will be converted and not that picture. Okay, so you have to have a image of some sentences and words to be converted into our document file. Okay, so friends, in some operating software what happened that at the pasting time you will get a paste options, so you will directly get a paste option and nothing else, only there will be written paste. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to copy your JPG file and paste there. Okay, but in some operating softwares what happens that in the paste option it is not written paste, it is written paste options and a picture is given there in that particular option of paste. Okay, so for that what are the steps, and for the previous one where only paste is written, that what are the steps, both only I will show you in this video. So first I will show you how you can do if you have only paste option. So in this folder my JPG file is, so this is my JPG file, you can see that it is JPG file, and you have to right click on it and click on copy. In the search box type Microsoft OneNote. So this is an app which is inbuilt in every operating software. To update your software you will get this, if you have a old software you will get this, if you bought a new software you will get this, if you buy a new PC you will get this. So it came in 2007, 2010 or 2013 or a new one, it depends on the operating software that you have installed. So I here have 2010, so I will open it, and those who have never opened it they will get an option like this, like I am also getting. Click here to create a notebook, new notebook to open an existing notebook, click file open. So you have to create a new notebook, so click here, select computer and give the name. I will give Microsoft OneNote. Okay, friends, this will create a folder which will contain all your OneNote files that you will make here afterwards. Okay, so this is the main folder, and inside this you will get all your other saved OneNote files. So you have to create this or else you can't access and create any other file. So and select the place where you want to save it, clicking on the browse option. Okay, so I will save on the desktop, click on desktop, select and click on create notebook. So the notebook has created, I am showing you. So this is my Microsoft OneNote, you can see. So click here and right click. So here you will get only written paste and not written paste options. A picture is given, you will get only paste, so you have to click on the paste. Okay, and those who will don't get only paste option, what they have to do is click on insert, click on picture, select your JPG file. My JPG file was in desktop in this folder. This was my JPG file, insert. So you can see that this is my JPG file which has been inserted. Okay, so when you will right click and click on this picture, nothing like this will come. So you have to click on insert and insert your picture. And those who will have only paste option, right click and click on only that option which is written only the word paste and not paste options and picture is given. So when you will click on that, then only you will get this. And those who will don't get that option, they have to insert this picture. Okay, so now for both only you have to right click and click on copy text from picture. So after that you have clicked on this option, cut it. Okay, and go to your search box. Friends, all the steps that I am showing you are valid for Windows 7, 8 and 10 only, not any other operating software. So after you click on the search box, type here Microsoft Word. So as I have told you before also, this is also an inbuilt app like this app. Click here. So it's opening. Right click and you will get paste options like this, or you will get only an option which is written only paste. So when you will get only paste, click on that paste. If you get like this, then click on the last one. Okay, so you can see that it is pasted, and I am comparing both my JPG files. So you can see it is starting with Vigor and it's ending with itself. Number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, 1. You can see that all have been copied. So now if you want to make any editing, like if you want to change the style of writing or the font style, then you can do that. After, if your editing is finished, or if you don't want to do an edit, what you have to do is click on File and you have to click on Save As and choose the location where you want to save it. I want to save it in my documents folder, so I will give this a name. So the name will be Word document. Okay, click on Save and double click on this PC and go to the section where you have saved it as certain documents, and this is my Microsoft Word document file. So I'm double clicking on it and you can see the same thing has come over here, Vigor ending with itself, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the whole thing. And after opening also you can make any changes. Okay, you can do any editing and you can understand how you can understand that it has been converted into a Word document. Right click on that, click on Properties, Microsoft Word document file. The type of file is Microsoft Word document. You can see that it has been converted into a Word document file. So friends, please be careful while pasting it. If you have an option which is written only paste, then click on that paste, and if you don't have that option, click on Insert for pasting it into OneNote, and when you are pasting it in Word document, click on the last picture. Okay, so do it very carefully or else it will be not get converted. Okay, so if you like my today's video, please like it, subscribe my channel so that I can develop my next videos, and unlike also and to get and to receive latest notification updates, please press the bell icon and click on all. So if it's not working on your computer, write in the comment box that I can reply and say what's the problem and how to solve it. So for today my video ends here only, friends. I will be right there with the interesting and useful video in front of you, and my today's video ends here only. Thank you.